Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
First up this evening, over 3 years and more than $50 million after, we zoom in on one of the government's legacy projects.
We're talking about the Hagley Park Road Improvement Project. While the road is a motorist's dream, there's another aspect which has not lived up to expectations. Garbage dump? No, this is 3 miles St. Andrew beneath the overhead bridge. The structure is part of the $56 million Hagley Park Road Improvement Program and is one of the government's legacy projects. Arguably, it has delivered on improving the road network, but it's barely 3 years since the road opened and the surroundings are less than desirable. This is what the area should have looked like. Note the palm trees and the replica of a well-manicured lawn, not a pedestrian or vendor stalls in sight. This, however, is as close to the greenery we saw. Overgrown bush with thorns and lots of weed intertwined with garbage. This is one of the areas where the grass should have been. Instead, it's where the homeless have taken refuge, not just to sleep, but the stench of urine and human feces is overbearing. Vendors have also set up shop where the palm trees should have been, the wooden structures, an unsightly addition. So why hasn't the area lived up to the expectations? The National Works Agency had oversight for the project.
It is something that we certainly are concerned about. It is that was certainly not the plan.
The NWA Communications manager, Stephen Shaw, agreed that it would take some work to get the area up to scratch. He explained plans are already afoot.
We have had persons, corporate entities, expressing interest in fixing up that area. I know again that the ministry has been working on some concepts, and I don't want to steal anyone's thunder.
As to when the government will make an announcement and how soon after work will begin is left to be seen, but it's clear that the longer it takes, the degradation will only worsen.